Hi guys! Welcome to another unboxing of some of the affordable gadgets na makikita online. Today we will be unboxing this rechargeable camping lantern, and I ordered this from Lazada. This comes with a solar charger and an LED. It has a total of 7 LEDs and included na rin yung cord for charging na makikita na rin natin mamaya. I bought this for 150 pesos. Well, first impression, it looks like another imitation device or a Class A product. And now, let's check what's inside the box. And here it is, the solar rechargeable camping lantern. While the box doesn't look so sturdy enough, well, how about the cord? Manipis yung kanyang cord at kailangan ng extra care sa pag-handle kasi parang hindi tatagal kapag hindi naingatan ng maayos. Well, how about the camping lantern? For me, I think I am satisfied with its design and its functionalities are good as well. I bought this because I'm going on a hike and I need an extra source of light plus another source of power. Since it has a solar charger, I don't need to worry anymore in case malubat ito. And it has a switch. That switch is for the flashlight, which we'll be testing later. But most importantly, let's also check if the solar charger is working. Confirmed, it's perfectly working. If ever I cover the solar panel, the light indicator doesn't turn red, but if ever I remove my hand, the charging indicator is lighting up. Good thing, it works. This is the input or where you will plug the charger, and at the opposite side is the USB output or where you will charge your devices. This camping lantern comes with 3 stainless steel handles, built for ease of use, and you can carry it vertically or horizontally. The lantern is hidden, so you need to pull the handle and it will automatically trigger the lantern to light. It was made to illuminate the whole room with its omnidirectional 360-degree design. It's impressive enough to copy what a real lantern does and emit a bright light with only 6 LEDs. Since we have already tested the suspended mode, now let's check its flashlight mode. For you to switch on or off the flashlight, you need to press the switch. It seems that the flashlight is also working well. But how about if we try to combine the two modes, suspended mode and flashlight mode at the same time? Yes, it is possible. This is very helpful, especially when we're on a hike and it did get dark already and you want to see things at a distance, but also keeping a light near you for you to see where you're stepping at. For additional information, the USB charger that this one has is only limited for other gadgets, that is exempt for phones and tablets. I tried to charge my phone and it didn't work, but I tried to charge my AirPods and power bank and it did work. This lantern flashlight is suitable for outdoors and indoors. It can also be used for emergencies in the cars. I think you can't wait to go camping with your family or friends if you have this camping light, a perfect light to have in every household. For more unboxing of affordable yet quality products online, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. This has been Stephen. Thank you, God bless, and have a nice day ahead.